Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint Tool's feedback and support functions. Let's get started. To provide feedback on the content or functions of the Blueprint tool, or pose questions to the Blueprint team, navigate to the Feedback and Support tab, which appears at the top of the screen. The Share Your Feedback allows the user to share feedback about anything related to the tool. This also allows the user to add a comment, include a screenshot, and link the application module related to the comment. This submission form will automatically populate the user's email address from their NCID login. However, users can change the email if desired. If we have feedback or an issue to report and would like to include a screenshot, we can select the Capture and Annotate Screen Camera button. Once we select Capture and Annotate Screen, the browser will ask for permission to be able to see the contents of the tab. Clicking Allow simply enables the tool to take a screenshot of the page for your feedback report. Once we select Allow, we can click and drag the box into the intended area. Here, I can annotate the screenshot by drawing on it, adding arrows, or adding comments. This way, when a screenshot is submitted to the Blueprint team, they can obtain the necessary context to respond to the user's feedback or question. That's it. You've just learned about the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint Tool's feedback and support functions. For more help, visit youtube.com/@ncdeq.